I put the front clip on to see how everything would fit. After welding in the panels, I did some body work, did some mudding in on the driver's side. Turned out pretty good. Painted it, and looks pretty good. After welding in the passenger side, I mudded it in, and then I painted it. After I fitted the front end, I figured out I needed to cut out for the steering column, and this is how I did it. The next thing I did was to design an alternator bracket because it was hitting on the inner fender. I drew it up on CAD and machined it out. I think it's time for a test drive. What do you think? Here's a walk around of the truck. The body work that I did, reassembling the front end, needs more work, but so here's how the driver's side panel turned out.